us here at F1MOTO is the ARP rear sets. This particular example shown is for a BMW 1000RR 15 to 16 model. Really popular bike, also available for lots of other makes and models. Be sure to look at the details on our website of what you need. So just going into explaining the detail about them. Machined from billet aluminium, hard anodised black. If we turn it over, you'll see there's 18 mounting holes, which gives 9 different positions for the foot peg. So something to suit most rider sizes and style. You'll notice the level of detail that's gone into the design and manufacture of these. All the edges are nicely CNC chamfered. All the nuts and bolts are plated, won't rust. Really strong, stiff component, exactly what you need for the controls of your motorcycle. You'll see the foot peg itself has a deep knurled pattern machined into it, with a slight step on the outer edge, so really high levels of grip on your boot, again aiding rider control. There's a nylon slider at the end, so for high lean angles the foot peg will glide over the track rather than dig into it. A really useful safety feature that. The lever tip adjustable to suit most boot sizes, so small feet, big feet, you'll still be able to hit that brake pedal every time consistently. So good quality item. Ball bearings in all the levers, so smooth action. So yeah, also comes with a spare foot peg lever and spare lever tip. Again, the gear shift lever, multi-positional, so again to suit many different boot sizes. If we just take the spacer off, you'll see high quality ball bearings throughout. Be sure to look them up at www.f1moto.com.au.